Hi everybody, this is the link you would have received if you've purchased a template from us before. Depending on which option you've chosen, there's different sizes which will tell you just here, and then you can use the template by clicking on this link here. We've also added instructions in the notes section. That's the link to this video you're watching right now. And if you want them printed instead, you can go to this website and we can print them in different foil colours, printer colours, whatever your options that you like. We've got some instructions below here and we'll just follow through with those. So add in your guest names, obviously important bits. You just double click on the name and you can add your names nice and simply like that. Okay, so that's the names now added. You can also change the fonts if you like. You just select on those and you can choose a different font such as this one here. This will then change the font. You can change all of the fonts on one go on the whole page just by pressing change all, and this will change them all for you. You can also change the colour as well, so you can do one at a time by doing this, or you can select by keeping your finger down the shift key if you're on a laptop or a computer and selecting all of them at the same time, and then you can change them all to the same colour. You can do place card frames outlines for all the 6 cards. So you'll notice these grey box squares here. Again, these are locked, so you need to unlock them. If you keep your finger on the shift key, you can select all 6 of the boxes, and this little purple icon will show up. You can unlock and it'll give you this toolbar now. Now with this toolbar unlocked, you can now remove the grey box outline. So now that's disappeared, and you can add colour if you want colour, that is. And you'll also notice that there's a grey line going through here. That's because we've got some extra options where you can just unlock that. You can just do the colour to the front of the place card if you wanted to and leave the back. Now again, if you wanted to remove that, you can simply press the delete button, or you can leave on there and just remove the border weight. So let's click off. So these are your place cards, and then we'll now show you how to print them off and cut them. We're going to do a crease line exactly where that dash line is, all the way to the other side. So we just get our little creasing tool here, and we're exactly the same here on this one. Yeah, so make that straight. So now we've got our crease lines ready. We don't want to cut all the way across. We're going to just go to the black section and get our little knife and just cut not quite right to the end. So we've got that line going all the way across. Like that. So now we've got that cut all the way across like that. We can now cut this way, but not all the way. We're just going to cut right to the black lines, just almost all the way through, and we'll do the other side as well. So that cuts. But I've done it so I've still got that bit of frame on there as well. So it's all aligned still. Okay, now if I just turn this way, I can now cut along here as well. Make sure everything's still straight. So down this one here, make sure this one's still straight. And now we cut all the way on the outside as well. Okay, let's just use some samples. Here. So here's one. If you left your grey lines on there, because you prefer that way,